Usa ang hugot nga debosyon ngadto sa balaang Batang Jesus Señor Santo Niño na songkit sa Lumad Basakanon ang bulawang medalya. Sila ang napiling mananaog sa 2022 Powerful Daejeon Festival ngadto sa nasud sa South Korea. Ang Lumad Basakanon na ila sa ilang pasundayag matag sinulog nunod sa ilang makapahinganghang synchronization. Daghang mga Koreano ang nabilib atol sa ilang street dance performance kay gawa sa kasynchronize sa ilang sayaw, makadani usab ang ilang mabulokong mga bisti, props ug mga costumes. Karong buntaga, dungantang sayran ang istorya sa ilang kadaugan, dinhilang sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Isgutan nato karong mga kapuso ang kalampusan karong bag-o sa Lumad Basakanon sa Festival sa South Korea. Makauban nato mga kapuso kanhi Executive Director sa Sinulog Foundation ug Presidente sa Korea-Philippines Festival Cultural Exchange Association, Sir Ricky Ballesteros. Mayong buntag, maupay na aga Sir Ricky. Kumusta ka, sir?
May buntag ni mo da Nico og mayong buntag sa kanatong da tigpaminaw ug atong mga viewers.
Thank you so much for joining us, sir, og congratulations kanatong tanan sa kalampusan sa Lumad Basakanon. Can you tell us more about this competition there sa South Korea, Sir Rick?
Well, actually, it's one of the biggest festival, no, in South Korea. Daegu is the third biggest city in Korea, actually, after Seoul and Busan. And in 2019, I was also invited to act as chairman of the board of judges. And for 2 years, wala na sila gipadayon because of the pandemic. But last year, they were able to come up with a virtual competition. So all the participants were only like sending their virtual presentation, ilang performances. And fortunately, ang Lumad Basakanon, ilahang virtual presentation was also chosen as the best.
Ikausap po ka sa judges sa competition diya sa Daegu City, sir. Kumusta kumusta ang assessment sa nimo sa performance sa atong pambato?
Actually, like before nilarga pa ang Team Lumad Basakanon, because I give them pep talk, no, mga advices, and I told them na ang inyong closest competitor will be Mongolia, because when it comes to production, yun bunga kan sila niya daghan kaysa sila. So ang Basakanon is only like 23 performers compared to Mongolia nga napaslay kabayo, live na kabayo nga 5 kabuok. Live horse is good kay murag Mongolian history, mga Mongolian nga warriors. Ang ilang costume guwapo ilang costume, and na sila mga acrobats, napaslay fire dancers. But during the elimination round, I told Basakanon niya, you were ranked number 2. Number 1 ang Mongolia. And I told them na during the elimination, you have to change your strategy because you're not facing the judges. You're facing the other side of the bleacher. Ang mga judges sa inyong likod. So they have to change it. And fortunately, I think they changed ilang choreography. They changed it because during the finals, I told them na, did you change your choreography? So, yes, sir. Yes, sir. So they were facing the stage.
So inaasa Lumad Basakanon, sir, mo inyong napili nga mi kampiyon sa Powerful Daegu Festival?
Well, actually, pagkita nimo sa in terms of production nila, I think that's a trademark of Lumad Basakanon. Kana ilahang synchronized movement, ilahang projection sa ini-present nila, ang ilang energy, and at the same time, the konsepto, ang ilang synchronized move nga, wabo ilang synchronized move, and ilang discipline sa nila. Makita sa nimo nga, because the judges are elevated sila, makita nimo ang ilang formation. So, well, kung siya choreograph siya. During the elimination, kay pagparade nato sila, nahibong lang ko nga, that's the only contingent na ni-perform ikaduha. Kay when they were having eliminations, wa pa man naabot ilang mayor, ilang mga city councilor. So right after the parade, nahibong lang ko nibalik og kanang perform ang Basakanon facing na the mayor. So there were requested by the local government unit and by the mayor na will perform og balik in front of the city officials.
You were saying, sir, nga gikan sa virtual na balik na karon ang kaning on-site or mahugta nga mas gipalambo na gyud nila nga festival sa Daegu City. So magpadayon na ni Sir Ricky.
Pero padayon na nila they're really open. I think this is one way also of opening their tourism in Korea. So I think considering just like Philippines, they're really into tourism, and that is only one way of signifying that Daegu, city of Daegu, is open to all tourists.
How about for Lumad Basakanon mismo, Sir Rick, unsay sunod para kanila?
Actually, na sila invitation balik sa Wonju Dynamic Dancing Carnival. That's one also of the big festivals in Korea. But I told them ngayon ko nga, human naman mag-perform diha. And the winner in the virtual competition also last year na during the pandemic was Toledo City man. So I'm here with me, ang among members at sa Korea-Philippine Festival of Cultural Exchange, ug ang organizer na to personally invite Toledo City Joyful Tribe to join the Wonju Dynamic Dancing Carnival. That will be on September.
Wow, mga garbo sa Sugbo, Toledo City.
Gorbo sa Cebu.
O ang of course lumad ba sa kanon. Sir Ricky, basig doon na kay gustong pasalamatan sir. Og message lang sab sa mga nagtan-aw nato ron.
Would like to thank the City of Dagu for inviting the prioritizing especially sa taga Cebu City na to mga performers, and at the same time mga atong organizers at na Dumo Productions for also inviting Lumad ba sa Kanon. And I think in the past Sinulog also, they also send their delegations to participate in the Sinulog Festival. So daghang kay salamat. And of course those who are like ni subay gyud sa ako ang mga post, and they were praying for Lumad ba sa Kanon's victory. Daghang kay salamat. I know with the prayers that you had and the of course support that we get. Basa Kanon also read the comments. So murag na motivate sila pag maayo. So I told them na you just kuan na lang, just enjoy at the same time go for the win.
All right, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Mga kapuso, Presidente sa Korea-Philippines Festival Cultural Exchange, Sir Ricky Ballesteros. Salamat, Sir Ricky.
Thank you very much. So may punta kayo yung tanan. Salamat.